yung warrant of arrest does not constitute a determination of guilt. Hindi pa guilty yan. All the accused continue to enjoy the constitutional presumption of innocence until their guilt is proven beyond reasonable doubt. The Sandigan Bayan, 3rd Division, composed of Associate Justice myself, Associate Justice Ronald D. Moreno, and Associate Justice Fritz Brian Anthony M. De Los Santos, issued today, July 6, 2026, warrants of arrest and hold departure order in criminal case E-SB-26-CRM-0018 for plunder against Senator Rodante Dizon Marcoleta, Michael Tan Defensor, Joseph Varias Espiritu, and Aristotel Baluyot Veray. The issuance of the warrant of arrest signifies only that after evaluating the records, the court found probable cause to believe that the accused committed the offense charged. Probable cause for the issuance of a warrant of arrest exists when the facts and circumstances would lead a reasonably discreet and prudent person to believe that an offense has been committed by the person sought to be arrested. Let me stress, yung warrant of arrest does not constitute a determination of guilt. Hindi pa guilty yan. All the accused continue to enjoy the constitutional presumption of innocence until their guilt is proven beyond reasonable doubt. Again, the court's proceedings are governed solely by the Constitution, the applicable laws, and the evidence properly presented before it. The court would want to remind the counsel who have appeared for the accused, and even Senator Rodante Marcoleta, who himself is a lawyer, that as officers of the court, they are duty-bound, together with the prosecutors, to uphold the integrity and administration of justice, to ensure compliance with lawful orders of the court, to conduct themselves and all persons acting under their direction with fairness, order, dignity, and full respect for the rule of law and the courts.
Po ay nagdesisyon ang Sandigan Bayan na i-deny ang motion to quash o ang pagpapahinto ng warrant of arrest laban sa amin ni Senator Dante Marcoleta. Kami na lumalaban sa korupsyon ang nauna pang nakulong sa isang kasong walang batayan. Sa aming pong pagkakakulong ay hindi na po kami makakapagsalita sa korupsyon na ang gusto lang naman namin ay lumabas ang katotohanan. Transparency, accountability, and justice. Nauna pa kaming makulong kesa sa mga totoong nagnakaw sa kaban ng bayan. Makukulong nyo kami at mapapatahimik, pero hindi po kami susuko. Salamat po sa lahat ng inyong suporta.
Lahat ng umiiral na batas na rin sa kailangan natin ikaw. Ako ay personal na punta dito sa Sandigan Bayan dahil yung aming motion to quash ay yung kalapit motion to defer the warrant of arrest ay kinalenta bilang agad for hearing. Itong sa umagang ito. Ngayon, napakagandang indikasyon yun ang umiiral ng ating mga batas. So gusto ko magpasalamat sa Sandigan Bayan dahil kinalenta nila agad.
Minuto pa lang po nakaraan na inaresto po si Mike Defensor at isang nangalan na Joseph Varias Espiritu. Sila po ay nag-uusap sa isang Starbucks sa Quezon City kung saan sila natagpuan ng CIDG at PNP at inaresto po at dinadala na po kayo sa Sandigan Bayan para sa kanilang return of warrant. Dadalhin po yung dalawa dito mamaya para sa kanilang medical clearance at kanilang processing. Pagkatapos po dadalhin sila sa Mayata City Jail para sa kanilang